Let's talk about how to plan your career success in the coming world of artificial intelligence. In today's rapidly changing job landscape, the rise of artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we work. As AI continues to advance, it's important to think about the significance of preparing for a future where AI might replace many of our careers. This is where we should consider the concept of AI-proof jobs. In this video, we'll explore what AI-proof careers look like and why they are essential for career planning in the coming times. You'll learn about the skills and industries that are likely to thrive in an AI-driven world, ensuring job security and growth. We'll also discuss how adaptability and continuous learning can empower you to navigate the evolving nature of work and technology. So, whether you're a student planning your career path or a professional looking to pivot, understanding AI-proof jobs is vital. Join us as we study the future of work and discover how you can position yourself for success in an AI-influenced job market. Understanding AI and its impact on employment. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines and computers programmed to think and learn. Its capabilities in automating tasks and processes are revolutionizing industries by enhancing efficiency and accuracy. From data analysis to customer service, AI is streamlining operations and reshaping job roles across various sectors. AI will play a huge role in the future world economy, possibly having the ability to greatly increase the GDP of any country. Industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, finance, and retail are among the most affected by AI advancements. In manufacturing, robots are taking over repetitive tasks, while in healthcare, AI assists in diagnostics and patient management. The finance sector is leveraging AI for fraud detection and algorithmic trading, and retail is using it for personalized shopping experiences. As AI continues to evolve, the importance of adapting to these technological changes in the workforce is very important. Ideally, workers will embrace lifelong learning and develop new skills to stay relevant in an increasingly automated world. By understanding AI's impact, you can better prepare for the future and seize opportunities in this dynamic job market. Identifying AI-proof jobs. As AI continues to reshape the job market, certain careers are less likely to be replaced due to their reliance on human creativity, empathy, physical labor, and critical thinking. For instance, roles in the arts, such as graphic designers and writers, thrive on unique human expression and innovation. Similarly, healthcare professionals, including nurses and therapists, rely on empathy and interpersonal skills to connect with patients and provide care. Skilled trades, such as plumbing and HVAC, rely on interpersonal customer service and real-world problems that AI's detailed programming can't handle. Interpersonal skills are becoming increasingly vital in the workplace, as jobs that require collaboration, negotiation, spontaneous problem-solving, and emotional intelligence are harder for AI to replicate. Professions in education, such as teachers and counselors, also emphasize the importance of human interaction and mentorship, making them resilient against automation. Additionally, emerging fields like renewable energy, mental health services, and technology ethics are expected to grow despite AI advancements. These sectors not only require human insight, but also address complex societal challenges, ensuring that careers in these areas remain relevant and essential in the future job market. Embracing these AI-proof jobs can lead to fulfilling and secure career paths. In this ever-changing world, the opportunities will still be endless. Skills for the future workforce. In an AI-influenced job market, thriving requires a blend of technical and soft skills, along with a commitment to continuous learning and adaptability. As technology evolves, staying updated with the latest advancements is vital. Embracing a mindset of lifelong education will empower you to navigate changes and seize new opportunities. Technical skills that complement AI technologies are essential. Proficiency in data analysis, programming languages, and understanding machine learning concepts can set you apart in various fields. Familiarity with AI tools can enhance your productivity and effectiveness, making you a valuable asset to any organization. However, technical skills alone aren't enough. Soft skills play a vital role in enhancing collaboration and problem-solving. Skills such as emotional intelligence, effective communication, and teamwork are increasingly sought after in the workplace. These abilities foster a positive work environment and enable teams to tackle complex challenges creatively. By focusing on both technical and soft skills and committing to lifelong learning, you can position yourself for success in the dynamic landscape of the future workforce. Education and training opportunities. As we prepare for the future pervasiveness of AI, exploring educational paths and resources to acquire AI-proof skills is necessary. Online courses and certifications have become increasingly popular, offering flexible learning options. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning provide a wide range of courses in data analysis, digital marketing, and project management, skills that are highly relevant to future careers. In addition to online learning, vocational training and apprenticeships play a crucial role in equipping individuals with hands-on experience. These programs often focus on practical skills in fields like healthcare, skilled trades, and technology, ensuring that participants are job-ready upon completion. Moreover, seeking mentorship and networking opportunities can significantly enhance your career development. Connecting with industry professionals can provide valuable insights, guidance, and potential job leads. Attend workshops, webinars, certification education, and industry conferences to expand your network and learn from those who have successfully navigated the evolving job landscape. By leveraging these educational resources and connections, you can build a robust foundation for a successful career in an AI-influenced world. Future trends in employment. As we look ahead to the next decade, several trends are set to reshape the job market significantly. One of the most notable is the rise of remote work, which has gained immense traction, especially following recent global events. This shift offers job seekers greater flexibility and access to a broader range of opportunities, allowing them to work for companies regardless of geographical location. However, it also means that competition for remote positions will intensify. Another trend is the growth of the gig economy, which provides individuals with the chance to engage in flexible employment arrangements. Freelancing and contract work are becoming increasingly popular, allowing workers to choose projects that align with their skills and interests. This flexibility can lead to a more balanced work-life dynamic, but also requires self-discipline and effective time management. Additionally, industries such as technology, renewable energy, and healthcare are poised for growth and innovation. As these sectors expand, they will create new job opportunities, making it essential for job seekers to stay informed and adaptable to thrive in this evolving landscape. Lastly, you can also look into dying professions that will always be needed but are losing popularity. This unique scenario provides an opportunity for those who are willing to face and conquer the hardships of these careers. For instance, you can seek an apprenticeship or a certificate in plumbing, construction, or HVAC. As you improve your skills in the trade, you can also learn the soft skills of networking, running your own business, customer service, and teamwork. Over time, you can create your own business. Conclusion. In conclusion, preparing for the impact of AI on careers is more important than ever. As we've discussed, understanding the evolving job market and identifying AI-proof jobs can help you navigate this transformation effectively. Emphasizing the development of both technical and soft skills is crucial for securing a future-proof career, ensuring you remain relevant in an increasingly automated world. We've explored various educational paths, including online courses, vocational training, and the significance of mentorship, networking, and collaboration. By embracing lifelong learning and adaptability, you can position yourself for success in the face of technological advancements. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to like the video and engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights on career planning and the future of work. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or colleagues who might benefit from these discussions. Together, we can navigate the exciting yet challenging landscape of the future job market. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.